Hi, and welcome to this 16-ounce animated mock-up of a pint-sized tumbler. When you download your files, you will see from this zip file there are 4 files, 2 PSDs and 2 movie files. Make sure you extract the zip file to your hard drive somewhere and then open the PSDs from there. That way you'll ensure that the movie files are alongside the PSDs. If you open the PSDs directly from the zip file, it won't be able to see the movie files and things won't work as you'd expect. So that's just the first thing to point out. Another thing to make sure you've got on is this timeline. That is under Window Timeline. You're going to need that later. Okay, to get the design on, you see in your layer stack on the bottom right here, there's a step 1, double click Smart Objects. So let's do that. This is a pass-through area. You don't actually do anything here. All you do is go again to the layer stack and double click the Smart Object. And here's where you add your design. So all you need to do is go File, Place Embedded, navigate to wherever you get your design files and place it on there. Once you're happy with its positioning, close this Smart Object. Be sure to say yes here. And then close here. Don't do anything in this section, just close it and be sure to say yes. Once that's done, you should see your design. You can use this scrubber here just to preview, make sure everything looks sensible. If you're then ready to create your video, all you do is go to this little burger menu, click that and go render video. Safe to go with all the defaults, but you can never play around if you know what you're doing. All you really need to do is set a folder where you want to save it and give it a file name and then click render. That'll take a minute or so depending on the speed of your machine. Other things to mention, if you want to change the background, you can. You just double click the background and then drop in. Same way you did the design, place embedded, navigate to your backgrounds, close that. If you want to change the lid or the colour of the tumbler, I'll show you how to do that. Just expand this folder called tumbler, and in here I've colour coded them blue, and you see these colour overlays. So this is the lid colour. If you wanted the black lid, just double click that, click on this colour and go there, and there you see it's changed to black. And in the same way you can change the body colour. Double click it, click this, and away you go. You can turn off the shadow if you want. All the layers can be played with. You could change the level of reflection here, this one here. If you want to dial it down, you can just drag the opacity down. But yeah, I think that's everything. If you've got any problems, give me a shout.